In this video, we will be talking about using batch update to switch options for the same products in the entire code. So from the codes page, click Edit Code on the job you need to update, and you will be routed to the build code page. Allow me to use the TWC Roller Blind products to show you how this works. As you can see, we have your same products across all windows. We have two similar products in the first window, another one in the second window, and one more on the third window. First, you have to make sure that the product is properly selected by ticking the box on the left side of the product. Then, click Advanced Actions and press Batch Update. A new window will appear, and since we will be switching some options in the product, click Expand for Batch Update products. This section will load all products selected on the code. Look for the product you need to update, which is TWC 2022 Roller Blind Group B, then click Options. The product will show you all its options so you can select the new values. For example, you want to update the control type for all roller blinds. Click the drop-down menu and select the one you need. In this instance, I've selected Akmeda Motorized. Depending on how the product is built, you will also see sub-options in which you can select whether you want to clear existing selections and replace with new, keep existing selections and add new selection, or clear all selected options. So let me choose the first option for now. Select the necessary option. Then once this is all okay, click Update and Save Product Options. Wait for it to load. Then after a few moments, you will see that the batch update is finished. Right after, you may see the logs and the actions made by clicking on History. This will give you all the information as to when it was updated, who updated it, and a snapshot of the changes done to the product. So once you're all okay with this, you may close this window now. And you can see that all roller blinds in the code were successfully updated with a green tag showing batch update success. The I button beside the product name will also give you the summary of your new options in one page. So that concludes our video for today. Please check our other videos to learn more about CodeWrite, and don't hesitate to reach out if you require more assistance.